all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sonal and today I'm sharing this makeup look with you all, which is very minimal. This is something perfect for my girls who like to keep it subtle yet very presentable. So I'm just so excited to share this makeup look with you all, and yeah, let's just get started with this minimal no makeup look. So to first moisturize my skin, I am using the Sugandha White Lotus Moisturizer. This is a moisturizer which is meant for oily skin type. So I like to apply this lotion all over my face and moisturize my skin. This also helps in hydrating my skin a little bit, and yeah, I will just let it sit on my face for like nice 5 minutes after massaging it so that it just gets absorbs nicely. And moving towards the foundation, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, which is very light on your skin and it gives you a really nice coverage as well. This one is in the variant 330 Toffee and I am just blending it all over my face. As you can see, it is providing me a nice light coverage. This is a really nice daily wear foundation. So yeah, I love this foundation. For the concealer, I'm using the Sugar Cosmetics Magic Wand Concealer in the shade Corn Lache. This is a really beautiful concealer for brightening. So I'm first blending with my hands only and it's not very blended, and I will let it sit on my face for a nice 10 to 15 seconds. This will just intensify the coverage, and later on I'll like blend it with a brush. Make sure that you blend it really nicely and well. Doing this also provides you more of the coverage and also makes your under eye area look smooth and nice. After applying the concealer, I am moving towards adding some color on my face, and for that I am using the Sugar Cosmetics Forward Face Stick in the shade Coral Climax, which is the blush stick. Now this one is a really nice color for dusky girls, so yeah, I'm using it all over my face. Whenever I do no makeup look, I love applying a whole lot of blush, and yeah, adding blush to your everyday makeup look will make your skin look healthy and it will just lit up your face so much. Now for powdering my face, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 330, which is a compact, and as you can see, I'm pressing the powder into my skin. What this does is it makes my makeup last for even longer and it keeps my face matte for a long period of time. So I love pressing in my powder. For my under eye area, I'm using the Sugar Cosmetics All Set to Go translucent powder. This does gives a little bit of flashback, but it is also about how much of quantity you use. If you use it in a little quantity, you won't have a lot of flashbacks. So yeah, I'm just applying a little bit all over the areas where I tend to crease or get extra oily. For my brows, I'm using the Wet n Wild brow pencil. First, I'm going to be combing my brows and then we will fill it in. So as this is a no makeup look, I'm keeping the brows very subtle and filling it in. Also, after filling it in, make sure that you comb it out. It will just make everything look even more natural. So for my eyeshadow, I'm using an orange shade. This will just make it look natural and I'm applying it all over my eyes. This will just add a nice orange natural looking tint onto your eyes. So for my eyeliner, I'm using the Sugar Cosmetics eyeliner. This one is in the variant Foxy Brown and it's a really nice brown eyeliner. I love doing wing eyeliner, but today I'm keeping it very subtle. I have did a slight small wing because I just love it. So yeah. After that, moving towards the mascara, I am applying loads and loads of mascara. I think whenever you're doing a no makeup look, mascara is a must have. Like mascara can really make or break your look. For my lips, I'm using the Maybelline Lip Gradation in the shade Mauve. This one is a really pretty color on dusky girls. Again, a nice natural looking pink color, and I'm applying it all over my lips. This gives you a powder matte sort of finish. Lasts for good hours, like up to 3 or 4 hours I can say. After that, you might have to retouch once again. To get that natural looking glow, I am using the Master Strobe Stick from Maybelline. This one is really beautiful product. Like if you are looking for a natural looking highlighter, you should definitely get your hands on this. It's a really pretty highlighter and I'm blending it all in. Applying it on the usual areas where we apply highlight, and you can see already guys how natural and subtle it looks. I love how this highlighter looks on my face. And yeah guys, that is basically how the look turned out to be. This is how it looks without the lashes. I love how minimal and simple it looks. I also later on attached falsies to just see how it looks, and the falsies which I'm wearing is from PAC Cosmetics. It is their M72 lash. As you can see, it looks even more prettier now. And yeah, this is basically how my look turned out to be. I hope you all enjoyed watching this. Bye.